Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New.
Today we are going to make a Bengali dish called Chingri Macher Muitha, that is prawn meatball in coconut gravy. It is best enjoyed with hot steamed rice or polao. So let's get started. First we will make a fine paste of meat portion of 500 grams prawns in a mixer grinder. For that, we have to discard the head, tail and the shell of the prawns. Now take it off from the grinder to a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of onion paste. The paste of onion have already been made by grinding 2 medium-sized onion along with 2 green chilies. If you prefer, you can add 1 more finely chopped chili to the mix. Add half teaspoon of ginger paste, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Sugar addition is optional. Then add 1 portion egg white. Now let's mix them thoroughly. Mixing is complete. Now place a pan with 4 cups of water on high heat and wait until the water boils. When water starts boiling, grease your hand with some white oil and take a small portion of the mix and add it to the boiling water one by one. Wait for 5 minutes so that they boil properly. Let's take it off from the water to a bowl. And keep the prawn stock aside for later use. Now we will lightly shallow fry the prawn meatball. Then add 3 tablespoons of white oil on a pan and heat it on a medium heat. Add whole spices, that is 1 inch cinnamon, 2 green cardamom and 2 cloves. Add a little bit of salt to avoid splattering the oil during frying. Once you feel nice aroma of the fried spices, add the remaining portion of the onion paste and saute for 1 minute. Then add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, half teaspoon of garlic paste and saute until the raw smell goes out. If necessary, add a little bit of prawn stock to avoid the sticking of the masala at the bottom of the pan. Make the heat medium or low time to time as per need. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Let's saute the masala on low heat until the oil separates out. I have not added red chili powder as I am making white coconut gravy. Now oil is separating out of the masala, so we will add a cup of prawn stock and half cup of coconut milk. Let it boil for 3 minutes. Again add 1 more cup of prawn stock and let it cook for some time. Add the fried prawn meatballs and cook for 5 minutes. Now the consistency is thick. Let's add half cup coconut milk, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 partially sliced green chilies and half teaspoon of ghee. Check the taste of the salt and sugar in the gravy for any further addition. Yes, as my preference, 1/4 teaspoon of salt to be added. Turn off the heat. Let's give a standing time of 5 minutes. That's all. Let us take off from the pan to a serving bowl.
If you like the video, do share it with your friends and family. A subscribe to our channel, Recipes Old and New, will be highly appreciated. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.